guys. So we are solving the math GRE GR 93674 and 25. So 25 is a famous question in the advanced analysis. You can go to see the apostle or routine, but basically this is called the Lipschitz condition. Say that you have two of these. Any points from x and y in the domain, there's a constant that this is suppressed from K. Okay. So first, you might think that it's different because there's an absolute value in Lipschitz condition, but in the question you only give you the one way of this. But actually, if this is correct, then you can change y to x. Then it should still be correct. Then you can take a minus sign here. And when you take a minus sign, then times the minus sign, this less or equal to 0 will be greater or equal to 0. So basically, these two facts give you this one, right? So this is the condition what we have. So if you see the choice that you are, then you will see that A, B, C, D, E just asking about the two questions. So the first question is f continuous on 0, 1? The second is f differentiable on 0, 1? Okay, so if you have a Lipschitz condition, then which one is correct? And I think if you're good at advanced calculus, then you already know the answer. Okay, so Q1 is true. Proof. This is easy because you have Lipschitz condition. So as x approximate to any number y, then f of x minus f of y smaller than this one, and x approximate to y. So this term will be 0. Well, smaller than any epsilon, right? When you take x to the limit to y. So this tells you that in the limit that f of x minus f of y will approximate to 0. This tells you that when x approach to y, then f of x must be approached to f of y. So this is continuous by definition. However, Q2 is not correct. F is not differentiable in general. Example is you can see from 0 to 1, I can define the absolute value function at a half. So f is x minus 0.5. So we know that this point is not differentiable. So the remaining task is to show this f. To show this f is Lipschitz. So proof. So fx minus fy is what? Is x minus a half minus y minus a half. Okay, so triangular equality. Tell me if you give me any two real number, I have a plus b in absolute value smaller than this, and this is larger than this one, right? So this is a triangular inequality. So all we need to use is this one, right? So this is smaller than x minus y, right? Because this one minus this one is x minus y. So this satisfy Lipschitz condition with k equals to 1. but this is not differentiable at x equals to 0.5. So the answer is D. F is continuous but may not be differentiable on 0, 1. So the answer is D. The answer is D. A little bit difficult, but still tolerable.